Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video, dear friends, I will show you and tell you how to enable cookies on your iPhone. Don't forget friends to put your likes to our video and also subscribe to the channel, and please write your comments. So let's get started. And first of all, please open the settings on your device. Then scroll down to the bottom, go to the apps section. Now you'll need to scroll down and find Safari. Or you can find the Safari app through the search bar at the top of all the apps. So when you open Safari, you will need to swipe down. And here, friends, please click on the Advanced section. And see, if you have cookies blocking enabled, then you will just need to click on this button here to disable that blocking. Because of that, you will now have cookies, you will enable them. This is the very quick method that you can easily enable cookies on any iPhone. I hope the video has helped you out. Don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.